Greta AI is a no-code platform that turns text prompts into fully functional apps. You type what you want right here, GPT style, and it handles the front end, the back end, the database, and even deployment automatically. The interface is quite clean. It's just straight to the point, making it feel more like talking to a dev than learning a new tool. You can generate apps, personal CRM, create a landing page, create an MVP, task management, you can start a blog, do a survey, or an inventory. Now, let's delve more into what it does. You're not just building apps, you're launching them ready to scale. It's fast, it's beginner friendly, and it's surprisingly powerful for prototyping or for MVPs. And the fact that it outputs real editable code is a huge win compared to other no-code tools. However, it is not perfect, as are most things. Some users report glitches with database integrations, and if your prompts are not clear, the results can miss the mark. It's also early stage, so expect a few rough edges, so to speak. Overall, if you want to build and launch apps without touching a single line of code, Greta AI is one of the most exciting tools out there right now. It won't replace experienced devs, but for fast prototyping and idea testing, it's very hard to beat. Do you want a deeper dive or a live build walkthrough? Drop it in the comments, I'll make it happen. Also, if you like this, give it a like, subscribe for more awesome videos, and I'll catch you in the next one.